Ni kiharo-ini gĩa Kasarani kuria mbeu njithi 750 aria marahotanire kihitahitaniro-ini kia mbelenabiz megwikinyitie kwamukira kiheo kiao kuma kuri Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuria atogiritie wira na kio kiao na njira igwete.
But the mbelenabiz competition is not just about you 750 winners. We had close to 11,000 competitors that did not make it to the winners list. However, this does not mean that the 11,000 competitors are losers. By trying, they demonstrated a desire to win, and my encouragement to them is to appreciate that vision and consistency can conquer any obstacles.
Kurumirira wirutaniri wao, President nieranire ciringi mirioni 1.3 kuri mubango wa mawira kuri mbeu njithi KYEOP kuria ciringi mirioni 9 cikugairwo mbeu njithi 250 aria mahotanite kihitahitaniro-ini kiu, na o mundu ekugairwo ciringi mirioni 3.6 nacio mirioni 450 ciheanwo kuri ahotani 500 kuria o mundu ekugunika na ngiri 900 na uo ni gutigirira ni makuria biashara ciao iria mambiriirie. Riri ripoti ya BBI iri na riandikithia ria kurugamiria mbeu njithi kuriha igoti kwa ihinda ria miaka 7 thutha wao kwambiriria biashara ciao. President nieranire kugacirithia mirutire ya wira guku bururi-ini, na oho aikiaritana kuri mbeu njithi kunyita mbaru na kuhetokia ripoti iyo amu iri na uguni munene hari gukuria muturire wao.
Sasa vijana mkiambiwa BBI ni ya Uhuru, hii pesa mnataka ikae kwa mifuko yenu ama mnataka KRA ichukue? Mnataka gani? Iingie kwa mifuko? Na ndio kama huyo msichana ametuambia hapa, muweze kuandika vijana wenzanu na hawa pia waweze kujisimamia na kusimamia familia zao. Au ni namna gani? Si ni hivyo? Wenzetu mjue kujisaidia na mjue kusimamia haki zenu, sio kudanganywa na kupatiwa na kutupiwa. Anyway, wache hiyo.
Thirikari ni ruguritie ikereka ria gatatu ria kigina kia mbeu njithi kia mwaka wa 2020 nginyagia mwaka wa 2024 na gukinyaniria na riu mbeu njithi mirioni 2 nio magunikite na ngombo cia mirioni 13.5
aims to transform this fund into an efficient and responsive entity that meets the needs of our young people. We as government have consulted widely, but we have also listened keenly, and the plan is our attempt to align the work of the fund with the expectations and aspirations of the young people of this country.
Ministry ya Ukinyaniria hamwe na bengi yathi ni meranire guthie na mbere na gutigirira mbeu njithi ni magunika ona makiria tabarira-ini ino.
Supporting the effort of increasing employment for young Kenyans through the Kenya Youth Employment and Opportunities Project. This is a $150 million multi-sectoral project whose objective is to increase employment and earnings opportunities for targeted youth. KYEOP is a flagship program for us across the region and worldwide.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.